Hello guys, welcome back to our channel, and in this session I am going to tell you about the free certification courses for the data analyst. Now what is a data analyst? Data analyst is a profession which processes, collects and analyzes the data so that organization makes a informed decision. Now data analyst converts the raw data into a actionable insight using various tools and techniques. To obtain the data analyst certification, you can go with the TCS iON website. Recently, TCS has announced a free course for a data analyst on their TCS iON platform. Few days back, I have already uploaded a video that how we can log in and do other courses on a TCS iON. So let's get started and check how we can do a course for the data analyst. On a screen, you can see the TCS iON website and the course name is Master Data Management for Beginners. So I have given the link of this course in a description box. You can just go there and log into this website. This course is a free and we can just subscribe now here. What is a course format? So course format is a self-paced. It means whenever you get the time, you can just complete the course. The duration will be 1 week and commitment will be 1 to 2 hours and language of the course is in English. So what exactly you will learn in this course? So if I click on a view syllabus, you can see master data management. If I close this, we can just go down and check the features of this course. So these features include like self-learning, multi-mode program, and it has a digital certification. So this is the main thing for which we are doing this course, because we are getting the course completion certification once we complete the course. Get participation certificate on completing the course. So you will get a digital certification. So what is the data management? It analyzes the data from a different dimension or angle. Like I said, it processes the data, then categorizes it and summarize the identified relationships. Help to streamline the data sharing among personnel and department in an organization. If I go down, you can see they have given the average LPA, that is a lakhs per annum package for an salary of a data analyst. At the beginner level, the data analyst will get this salary. So it is expected the market size growth for a global master data management from $11.3 billion in 2020 to $27.9 billion in 2025, which simply means that there is an increasing demand for the data analyst in market, in a global market. Is this program for you? Master Data Management for a beginners course. So this course is for beginners and it is for graduate or a postgraduate students wanting to learn these skills, and a job seeker or a working professional seeking to upskill in a new technologies. So both working professional as well as the students can do this course. And why we should choose a TCS iON? First, it is a free course. Then second, we have a certification. Apart from that, it is the largest online learning platform. It has like around 36 lakh students. Then 500 plus courses are there. Like I said in my previous video, mentors who will be studying this data analyst course are expert, and it's like 360-degree upskilling destination. And if you go down, apart from that, you will get some related courses which are like introduction to artificial intelligence with Java and all. So this we can ignore for now, because we are right now focusing on a data analyst course which is available with the TCS iON. So you can just go log in here. If you don't have an account, I already have an account but I haven't logged in, so you can just register here, do a login. You can also go with the Google account or a LinkedIn account, or you can create a TCS iON account, and once you log in, you can just start the course and do the course, and after completion you will get the certification from the TCS iON, that is a Tata Consultancy Services. So this is about the certification. Using a various tools like Excel, SQL, Python or Power BI, you can practice the data analyst course. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, you can just like the video, share our video and subscribe to our channel. Also press the bell icon so that you don't miss any notification. If you have any questions, you can just drop them in a comment section. See you in the next video.